Alright, so here's how to change default view in Excel. It's quite simple, so let's get started. First of all, you need to move your cursor onto the left upper side and simply select the file. And then from here, you need to scroll it down to the bottom and you need to go and select the options. Once you have done to here, you will probably see the default view for new sheets option right over here. So when creating a new sheet, you now need to select it out. And as you can see, there are three layout options. So page break preview, a page layout view, and normal view. Like you can select or change the default view from here. So let's just select it from here and simply go with OK. After that, when we create a new sheet like that, and as you can see, this is the view that we are wanting. So if you want to get back to the normal, you can select the normal and simply go with another sheets like that. So that's how you can simply change default view in Excel. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.